Okay, I'm going to pick up right where we left off. I had said that we would go over this a little bit more. I wanted to break it up into multiple videos though, okay? So again, parentheses, brackets, and braces. We have to do them in a specific order, just like we have to do the operations in a specific order. And I had said what's furthest inside comes first. Okay, parentheses are the curves, brackets are here, braces. All right. Remember I told you if you needed to draw those a few times just to kind of get them in your memory, you can do that. I'm going to draw them and keep them up here just so that our memory stays sharp and we remember. All right. Now, I am going to put a problem up and we're going to see if we can figure this out. Okay. That looks like a little bit of chaos, doesn't it? It's not. I promise you this is not that hard, okay? All right, so again, we said parentheses has to be first, before brackets, before braces. So what do we have here in parentheses? Right here, look. Parentheses right here. Right? These are the parentheses you're used to seeing, so let's figure them out first. What is 6 plus 3? 9. Now, I'm going to bring these brackets down, and everything that's left over in them, I'm going to bring the rest of my problem down as well. So I solved for what's inside of here. That eliminates those parentheses, and I can just include this solution into the rest of the bracket. Now, go to the next layer, which is the bracket. 9 plus 5 is 14. Bring the rest of the problem down. Once I solve for what was inside of those brackets, the brackets can go away. And now I simply have a 14 there. Bring the division sign and the 7 down. 14 divided by 7. There are 2 7s in a 14, so my answer is simply 2. You just work through those layers, okay? We'll do one more. I'm going to give you one that has all 3 of them in it. Let's do this one. Do you see how right off the bat I had all 3 layers and then my parentheses ended? Then my bracket's going to end. Then my braces is going to end. And I still have something on the outside. So again, we have to work from the innermost problem first, the innermost parenthesis. So 9 minus 2 gives me 7. That can drop those parentheses, but I'm still have my brackets and my braces. Bring this that's inside the bracket down. So I have that times 3. Make sure my bracket stays. My braces has to stay as well. You'll get to the point where maybe you don't have to write it all out step by step like this, but when we're learning, it's always best to do that, okay? So now I'm on to my bracket because it is the next layer. 7 times 3 is 21. That drops my brackets. I just have my braces now. Keep my plus 3 because that's still inside my brace. And my minus 5 is on the outside. Okay, now again, I still have a brace I have to get rid of, so let's do it. 21 plus 3 is 24. And then that gets rid of my brace. I just have minus 5. Okay, now we're down to nothing left but a simple subtraction problem. Okay, so we've worked through this whole thing. We've gotten rid of all the brackets, the braces, the parentheses. It's all gone, and we have nothing but a subtraction problem. That's what we're trying to get to. is getting through all the layers to the simple problem in the end, all right? Hopefully you guys all know the answers to this. We have equals 19. Okay? And that is it. I hope you guys are getting it. This is a quick little lesson. Not trying to overwhelm you. I wanted to break it into these 2 lessons because I want you guys to see this individually, because this is the second layer of your guys' homework for the week. After this, we'll try to go in deeper with some of the multiplication and division and adding other elements in there. Again, I said tiny bits of exponents, but we won't go really hard into that one, okay? All right. Again, message me, contact me, tell me what you need help with. I've got no problems helping. I'm working all day. More messages, keep me less bored. All right, bye.